Imagine this. You post a single anime-related video on your channel, and boom, it racks up thousands, even millions of views. Not only that, but your YouTube dashboard starts showing dollar signs that could pay for your dream vacation or maybe even your first car. Sounds amazing, right? Well, if you've ever wondered how you can create anime videos that go crazy viral and still make money without getting hit by copyright strikes, this video is for you. Stick around, because today I'm gonna spill all the secrets you need. We're talking everything from picking the perfect anime to editing your footage so it's safe under YouTube's copyright claims. And trust me, this is simpler than you might think, especially if you follow the steps carefully. So buckle up, because by the end of this tutorial, you'll have the exact roadmap to upload your own anime content on YouTube, avoid copyright problems, and potentially earn big bucks from AdSense. Let's dive right in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why anime is such a gold mine on YouTube. Anime fans are some of the most active and dedicated people out there. They watch for hours, discuss every plot detail, and rewatch favorite scenes. That means if your video lands well, you can easily tap into a huge audience, and that audience translates to views, subscribers, and AdSense revenue. There are anime-focused channels pulling in tens of thousands of dollars every single month. Crazy, right? Some channels even share how a single anime explanation video can rake in tens of thousands of dollars from AdSense alone. They do this by analyzing trending shows, summarizing key plot points, and adding their own unique commentary that keeps people glued to the screen. And guess what? You can absolutely replicate their success with the right strategy. Finding winning anime topics without guesswork. One of the biggest mistakes new anime YouTubers make is picking their topic blindfolded. They might say, "I like this show, so I'll post about it." But if no one is actually searching for that anime, you're not going to get many views. To avoid this, we need a research strategy. Here's what you can do in 3 simple steps. Check popular trends. Head to a trend analyzer like Google Trends and type in anime. Then narrow it down to the past 90 days, select global data, and importantly, focus on YouTube search instead of the web. This reveals which anime-related topics are getting traction right now on YouTube. Look for repeated keywords. Pay attention to the related topics section. If you see something like a specific title popping up multiple times, maybe a brand new series or an older series that's seeing a comeback, note it down. Confirm consistent interest. Double-check the interest pattern over the past few months. If the chart shows a steady or rising pattern, that's a golden topic. You want to avoid one-hit wonders that only trend for a week. Another goldmine for anime buzz is social media. Platforms like Twitter or TikTok often explode over new releases or shocking plot twists. If you see fans going wild about a particular show or scene, that's your green light. Make a video on it and watch the hype work in your favor. Let's say you spot an anime that people are buzzing about, but that doesn't have intense competition yet. That's your sweet spot. You're basically hopping on a train right before it leaves the station, setting yourself up for potential viral hits. Building your script with zero knowledge. If you're an anime fan, you can write your own summary. Rewatch the episodes and jot down key moments, quotes, or plot twists, then rearrange them into a retelling or breakdown format. You might ask, but what if I haven't watched this anime? How do I make a review or recap if I know nothing about the show? Relax, because I've got you. I haven't watched this anime either, but I'll share a genius hack that lets you gather all the info you need and craft a viral script just like the top channels. We're going to use ChatGPT, and trust me, this will make your life 10 times easier. First, go to ChatGPT and type in a prompt like, "Give me a detailed summary of the anime Solo Leveling, including its plot, main characters, and emotional themes. Focus on what makes it unique and why fans love it." And boom, in seconds, ChatGPT delivers a complete breakdown of the anime, its story, character motivations, and key themes. At this point, you already know as much as someone who has watched the series. A plain summary isn't enough. You need a script that hooks viewers emotionally and keeps them watching. So, ask ChatGPT another powerful question. What deep, emotional themes or psychological aspects of Solo Leveling can be used to craft a compelling YouTube script? Give me ideas based on themes like struggle, friendship, and personal growth. Look at this. ChatGPT is now serving up script angles that go viral. The underdog struggles, the pain of failure and redemption, the hidden sacrifices behind true leadership. These storytelling elements make movie recaps and anime breakdowns incredibly popular. You've picked your anime, researched its emotional core, and mapped out your video for maximum engagement. Now it's time to actually write. Instead of spending hours hammering out a script, we'll harness the power of Simplified AI. Head to Simplified AI. This tool is a lifesaver for script writing. If you don't have an account, just sign up with your email. It's free. Plus, you start with 5,000 free credits, so you can generate several scripts at no cost. Go to the AI scriptwriter after signing in. Now, instead of typing, write me a script for solo leveling, which might give you a dull summary. Feed the AI a prompt that's emotional and engaging. Go back to ChatGPT and type something like, write a detailed prompt for generating a script that focuses on personal growth, self-acceptance, and emotional analysis with practical action steps inspired by the anime Solo Leveling. Make it engaging and story-driven. ChatGPT will generate a highly detailed prompt you can copy and paste into Simplified AI for maximum impact. Before hitting generate, tweak a few settings. Set the tone to hopeful for an inspiring, uplifting vibe. Set the creativity level to creative so the AI doesn't spit out a dull list of bullet points. Then hit generate and let AI do its thing. In a few seconds, you'll have a fully structured script loaded with emotional insights, character arcs, and practical lessons. Don't just copy and paste the AI's output. Stand out by injecting your own personality. Change up some lines to make it funnier or more dramatic. Break up long paragraphs into short, snappy sentences to keep viewers interested. With a few quick edits, your script transforms from good to fantastic. Voiceovers made easy. A lot of people think they need an impressive radio voice to do these anime recaps. They feel shy, or they don't have fancy microphones. But guess what? You can do it with text-to-speech AI if you really don't want to record your own voice. Alternatively, if you do want to try your own voice, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure to speak clearly and at a consistent volume. If you prefer to skip the mic entirely, there are advanced AI voice generators that sound nearly human. Some are free or have free trials, so you can experiment. It's as simple as copying your script, pasting it into the generator, selecting a voice style, and pressing a button. You'll have a pro-sounding voiceover in seconds. Now, since we need visual elements that keep viewers glued to the screen, we'll use clips from Solo Leveling. Trust me, if you just slap random images on the timeline, people will click off faster than a friend who magically forgets their wallet at dinner. So head over to YouTube and search for Solo Leveling anime clips. Focus on HD scenes, 1080p if possible, that fit the key moments in your script. Downloading and organizing. Once you've found suitable clips, it's time to download them. There are plenty of free tools online. Just search for YouTube Video Downloader. Always opt for 1080p resolution to keep your final video looking sharp. After downloading, store everything in a dedicated folder so you can access it easily during editing. Important note, avoid downloading entire episodes unless you're really into copyright strikes. Instead, stick to fair use clips from official trailers, fight scenes, or character moments. If you can't find exactly what you need, check out fan-made compilations, AMVs, or even gaming walkthroughs from anime-inspired games. They can be gold mines for the visuals you need. With all your assets now collected, script, voiceover, and clips, it's time to fire up CapCut, editing and staying safe from copyright claims. Now that we have our assets, let's jump into CapCut and start editing. First, open CapCut and create a new project. The initial step is to import the voiceover we generated using text-to-speech OpenAI. This will serve as the foundation for our entire video. Next, drag and drop all the anime clips we downloaded into the media library so we can easily place them on the timeline as we edit. Alright, here's the biggest question. Will posting anime footage get me into trouble? The truth is, it can if you just straight up re-upload full episodes. But there's something called fair use, which allows you to use short clips for commentary, critique, or educational purposes. The key is to transform the footage. That might sound complicated, but it's not. Here's how. Begin by placing the clips on the timeline so they match the narration. If your script highlights Sung Jinwoo starting out as the weakest hunter, show a clip of him barely surviving an early dungeon raid or enduring ridicule from stronger hunters. When you discuss his transformation into a formidable force, switch to a tense battle sequence or the pivotal moment where he activates the system. This kind of visual storytelling keeps viewers hooked and helps your video flow smoothly. Add commentary. Talk over the clips to provide your perspective or explanation. This is commentary, and it makes it transformative. Use screen overlays. Add text, effects, or transitions that make your presentation unique. Include a disclaimer. In your video description, and maybe even in the video itself, clarify that your usage of clips is for commentary and is protected under fair use. By following these steps, many channels have successfully uploaded anime content without big copyright strikes. If a strike does pop up, you can dispute it as long as you're sure your video truly is transformative and you're not violating any official guidelines. Pro tip: keep it short. Don't show entire scenes for too long. Cut them into short segments, like 3 to 5 seconds each, so that it's not the full episode in one go. In CapCut, go to Transitions and choose effects like fade, slide, or zoom for scene changes. But be careful not to overdo it. Too many flashy effects can make your video look like a bad PowerPoint presentation. Enhance the visuals. If there's an emotional moment in the script, add a subtle slow motion effect to highlight it. If there's a dramatic reveal, try a glitch or shake effect to build tension. CapCut has a library of built-in effects under the Effects tab. Experiment to see what fits best. Bring it all to life with music and sound. Music and sound effects add the final layer of polish. CapCut has a royalty-free music library, but you can also import tracks from sites like Epidemic Sound. Choose music that matches the mood: intense for fight scenes, emotional piano for sad moments, and suspenseful beats for big reveals. Don't forget sound effects to boost key moments: a whoosh for transitions, a punch effect in fight scenes, or a heartbeat during tense parts. These small touches can significantly increase engagement. Once you're happy, click Export and choose 1080p resolution at 30 FPS for the best quality. Save the file as an MP4, and boom, you now have a professional quality anime recap video primed to go viral. Let's take a look at the final result.
The underdog's journey, recognizing our struggles. Sun Jinwoo's story begins as a stark portrayal of an individual plagued by self-doubt, ridicule, and financial strain. He faces constant belittlement for his weak abilities, which resonates with many of us who have experienced similar moments of vulnerability. Reflect on your own life. Have you ever felt inadequate in comparison to your peers? Did a particular failure leave you feeling unworthy or lost? Have you struggled with external judgments that cloud your self-perception? These common experiences of self-doubt connect us to Jinwoo's plight. By acknowledging and empathizing with his journey, we can better understand the importance of perseverance and the initiation of change, motivating us to tackle our own shortcomings.